Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The BEEST Elastomeric RV Roof Coating is probably one of the most important investments you can make to protect your RV from the elements and extend its lifespan. This video will review its features, benefits, and help you decide if it's the right choice for your RV roof. Number 5. Dicor RP MRC1 RV Roof Coating. This acrylic roof coating is specifically designed to protect and enhance the look of your metal RV roof. It's a simple way to keep your RV looking its best for years to come. Its brilliant white color provides superior reflectivity, which helps lower the interior temperature of your RV, keeping it cooler and more comfortable. This means less strain on your air conditioning system. It's important to note that it's designed for use on metal RV roofs only. Please check your roof's material before applying. The sleek white hue gives your RV roof a stylish and beautiful look. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance to your outdoor adventures. This 1-gallon container provides ample coverage for most RV roofs. Check the instructions for exact application details and coverage area. This coating is designed for easy application, making it a DIY-friendly option for maintaining your RV roof. Just follow the simple instructions for best results. What we like. It reflects sunlight, keeping your RV cool. If you have a metal RV roof and want a stylish, white finish, this is perfect for you. This is a great choice for those prioritizing both aesthetics and temperature control. What people say. Used it on my 36-foot diesel pusher metal roof, it was very easy to work with and coated well. I shouldn't have to worry about any leaks for some time and I live in the Northeast. I applied one coat over the entire fiberglass roof and it took about half the can. Waited 2 hours to apply second coat in 80-degree weather. The roof has never been coated before, so maybe it absorbed this a little more than I expected. After applying 2 coats, it really has made the inside much cooler, and as a bonus, used it on the top of my day cab as well since the truck is white after all. The properties of the coat allow for 80% solar reflection according to the stats. It has sealed a small leak that was coming in from the siding of my corner trailer and has dropped internal temps for the day cab as well. Number 4. Ziollo RV Flex Repair Sealant. It's made with a revolutionary silicone formula that creates a permanent, waterproof seal. This superior sealant surpasses standard coatings and works on all RV roofs, providing long-lasting protection. We're so confident in it, we offer a lifetime promise. You can travel worry-free, knowing your RV roof is protected for years to come. For an easy application, it requires no primer. While a primer can improve adhesion, this sealant bonds directly to most surfaces right out of the container, saving you time and effort. Get maximum coverage with just one application. You'll save time, materials, and money with this efficient, full-coverage sealant. It can handle even the toughest conditions. Its durable and highly reflective qualities keep interiors cool and comfortable, lowering energy usage. What we like. It creates a permanent, waterproof seal on any RV roof type. If you're looking for a hassle-free application and long-lasting protection, this is the one. With its lifetime promise, you'll have peace of mind for years to come. What people say. It is very thick and went on well but was a little messy. 3.5 gallons covered the camper in one coat, nearly emptying the bucket. It's easy to work with. Spreads very easily and levels out, spreads itself perfectly. We have a 8 by 38 foot camper and only needed 2 gallons for 2 coats. I have used this stuff on several customers' coaches with nothing but amazing results. Goes on easy and smooth. Number 3. STA-Kool SK7705 Roof Coating. This is the STA-Kool SK7705, a traditional acrylic elastomeric roof coating. It's perfect for protecting your roof from the elements. It provides a superior protective layer, extending the life of your roof and saving you money on repairs in the long run. This coating is easy to apply, making it a DIY-friendly option for homeowners. You'll get a professional-looking finish with minimal effort. It's built to last. It offers excellent resistance to cracking, peeling, and fading, ensuring years of reliable protection for your roof. This product is manufactured right here in the United States, supporting American jobs and quality standards. Give your roof the protection it deserves with STA-Kool SK7705. It's the smart choice for lasting roof care. What we like. It's a reliable, time-tested formula. If you need a large quantity for a big project and prefer a product made domestically, this is a smart choice. The large size makes it cost-effective for larger RV roofs or multiple projects. What people say. Took 3 coats of this roof paint to seal it up and I'm very pleased. I pressure washed a rolled roofing roof and let it dry for a few days. I bought a huge squeegee and stiff slim broom from Lowe's. I then poured a large amount, about 1/3 the container, starting at a far corner. I used the squeegee to pull the mix all around and then broomed it in so it soaked through the rough texture of the roofing. Easy to spread and easy to broom. Elastomeric reflective coating makes home at least 10 degrees cooler, have to run cooler less, and it also for rare but more frequent rain events happening protects from leaks. Number 2. BEEST RV Roof Coating. It's a flexible, liquid rubber sealant designed to protect your RV roof from the elements. This superior coating is UV resistant and will help keep your RV cool. 1 gallon covers up to 50 square feet, typically requiring 2 to 3 coats for optimal results. It's perfect for sealing and protecting various surfaces. It's not just for RVs. Use it on metal roofs, pop-up campers, trailers, and even around your home. It's suitable for a wide variety of materials. Application is a breeze. Simply apply it with a brush, roller, or sprayer after cleaning the surface. Let it dry for 2 to 4 hours. It's water-based, solvent-free, and ultra-low VOC, making it safe for you, your pets, and the environment. It's the smart choice for a protective sealant. BEEST is a family-owned company based in the USA. We stand behind our product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and excellent customer service. What we like. It's super flexible and easy to apply. If you are looking for an eco-friendly option that's simple to use, this is it. It's great for various surfaces and is safe for use around pets and children. What people say. Easy to apply, good quality, after 2 coats of sealant it is a good thicknesses, and it looks great. Also did make the camper noticeably cooler inside. 23-year-old camper roof looks brand new after 2 coats of primer and 3 coats of sealant. Easy to apply. Heavy rain since and 0 leaks. Number 1. Rexoseal RV Liquid Rubber. Tired of leaky RV roofs? Rexoseal offers a simple, DIY solution for superior waterproofing. It's easy to apply and lasts longer than other coatings. With Rexoseal, you don't need to be a professional. Our easy-to-follow instructions and videos make the job simple, even for beginners. No more caulking needed. It has 55 to 60% more rubber content than cheaper alternatives. This means it creates a more durable, longer-lasting seal for your RV roof. It works on a variety of surfaces, including rubber, wood, metal, aluminum, and fiberglass. It provides superior protection against the elements. 1 gallon covers up to 240 square feet, enough for 1 coat on most RV roofs. For larger roofs or complete restoration, check out our larger kits. For best results, apply a minimum of 3 coats. This ensures complete waterproofing and long-lasting protection for your RV roof. What we like. It offers superior durability and covers a large area. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-apply solution that requires minimal tools or skills, this is ideal. It's perfect for the DIY enthusiast looking for a comprehensive RV roof restoration. What people say. The application of the product is easy, especially if you have experience painting. Actual time for preparation was about 2 hours to scrub, sand and wash every inch. I scrubbed off the dirt first with the included brush, then sanded all surfaces and joints, then finished by washing with Rexoseal. All items needed were included in a kit except an extension handle for the sander, a spray bottle for the Rexoseal, and a few extra sheets of sandpaper. The kit included enough material for almost everything. There was enough paint for 4 coats and for placement of the mesh. The first paint session involved painting and embedding the roll of mesh over all joints and seams. The final 3 coats were rolled on and each took about 30 minutes. It came with everything needed to do the job. Plenty of material to do it right. Adequate instructions, with the video on the website, made the job completely doable. It is a very easy product to work with. The roof looks great and has cured nicely. The surface temperature of the roof is so much cooler now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.